Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your door in work at a pizza place. First, you need to enter your personal plot within the game. Once inside, look for the Build button, usually located at the bottom or side of your screen. Clicking this button will open the building interface, which is your gateway to customizing your pizza place. This mode is crucial for making any structural changes, including swapping out your old door for a brand new one. Now that you are in build mode, let's remove your current door. Head over to the Doors section, which you'll find among the various building categories. Carefully select the door you wish to replace. Once highlighted, you'll see an option to delete or remove it. Confirm this action, and your old door will disappear, leaving an open space ready for a fresh entrance. This step clears the way for your new design. With the old door gone, it's time for the exciting part, choosing your new entrance. Stay in the Doors section and explore the extensive catalog of available styles. You'll find everything from simple wooden doors to grand, modern designs. Take a moment to consider how each option will look and function with your pizza place's overall aesthetic. Once you've found the perfect fit, simply click on it to select your brand new door. Finally, let's place your chosen door and secure your changes. Drag the new door to the empty doorway where the old one used to be. You might need to use the rotation tools to ensure it faces the correct direction. Once it looks perfect, click to firmly place it into position. Remember, it's vital to save all your modifications before you leave build mode. This ensures your new door is permanently installed and ready for business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.